Hi guys, I'm back with one more video today. First of all, wish you all a very happy new year. May this year bring much more success, happiness in your life. May you make nice investment decisions this year and multiply your money. Wishing that for everyone. So in today's video, let me talk about a very interesting and a very important topic, which is about where to invest in Hyderabad in a specific budget. Assuming many of you have reached out to me, sort of saying that my budget is around 7,000 per square yard, 10,000 per square yard, where can I invest? And some of you reach out to me saying, sir, my budget is around 15,000 per square yard, 20,000 per square yard, so where to invest? So in today's video, I have discussed about two different investment buckets. One is 7,000 to 10,000 rupees, that is one investment bucket. Second is around 15,000 till 20,000 investment bucket. So let's discuss more on this investment options in Hyderabad. Let me share my screen now. My screen now. This is my website. So let me go to, I hope you can see my screen now. This is Google Maps. Let's talk about what are these investment options we have in a budget range of 7,000 to 10,000 per square yard, 7,000, 6,500 per square yard. See, first of all, that investment bucket has become very tough these days. It is not so easy finding something in that 7,000 to 10,000 price range, but still there are some options which you can consider if you are in limited budget. If your budget is around 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs. So these are some of the areas you have to consider. And one thing you have to understand is as the budget reduces per square yard, you have to go a little far from the city. There's no other option, right? So same logic applies. So let's talk with the west of Hyderabad. Let's talk about the west first. So let's talk about the Mumbai highway. So this is the Mumbai highway after crossing Patancheru, Rudraram, after crossing Sangareddy, Peddapur, Nandikandi. So you reach to Sadashivapet. Now Sadashivapet is an only option where you can find something in around 7 to 10,000 budget, but still it is becoming very tough these days even to get something in Sadashivapet in 7 to 10,000, so 7 to 10,000 price range. But still there are some options. So for example, once you cross Sadashivapet, you see a road called as Atmakur Road. On this road, still you have some options where to invest in a price range of around 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000 as well. So this is one option, which is Atmakur Road, which you can consider. And second option is from Sadashivapet, there is a road which goes to Mominpet. So on this road also, there are some investment options in a price range of 7,000 to 10,000 per square yard. You can still consider this road also as a good investment option, Mominpet Road from Sadashivapet. So otherwise, if you don't want to invest in Atmakur Road, Mominpet Road, then you have to go a little ahead. Budera, Kamkol, even in Budera and Kamkol, there is nothing much which is less than 10,000 rupees per square yard. But still, if you struggle, find out a little, maybe little inside, around 1.5 to 2 kilometers inside from the highway, you will get something in that price range of 7 to 10,000 per square yard. So till Digwal and even in fact till Zahirabad, if you keep going, you may get something in that price range of around 7,000 to 10,000 per square yard. So in the west, no other option. You have to cross Sadashivapet. Atmakur Road is one option. Mominpet Road is another option. Otherwise, you have to cross Kamkol, Digwal, Zahirabad. Little inside you have to go. You will get some investment options in that budget of around 7 to 10,000 per square yard. Yeah, in Mominpet Road also a lot of movement is there. But if you personally ask me, Sadashivapet would be my personal preference because of the Mumbai highway, which is always booming highway, and because of NIMS, National Investment Manufacturing Zone. A lot of buzzes there around Mumbai highway for sure. But Mominpet Road comparatively is a little deserted road. Recently, I've traveled to that road from Shankarpalli. So in fact, after crossing Shankarpalli also, this road goes to Mominpet. So this road is a little deserted road. Still, a lot of companies are there. A lot of people are investing around 15,000 per square yard. I don't know how, but I believe it is little expensive. After crossing Shankarpalli, the road is not so great. I personally won't recommend investing in this road. I would recommend to invest in Sadashivapet Road because Sadashivapet Road is a Mumbai highway road and much better investment option than compared to Mominpet Road, Shankarpalli and Mominpet Road. So, okay, so first option in the west of Hyderabad, is after crossing Sadashivpet and from Sadashivpet to Mominpet Road. So these are the two options where you can get something in around 10,000 budget. Otherwise, what you can do is you can consider even Chevela Road. Okay, let me try to show you. So some of you would have seen me making a video on Alur village, right? N Square, Alur, Chevela, somewhere around here. They had a project on, they have a project in R3 zone in Alur village. It was less than 10,000 rupees, around 6,500 per square yard. That can be a very good investment option somewhere around Chevela. So in Chevela also there are some investment options less than 10,000 per square yard. But the only problem Chevela has is a lot of 111 geo and conservative zone is there. So you have to be very careful by selecting a land in Chevela. But yeah, if you are looking for budget less than 10,000 per square yard, Chevela Alur can also be a very good investment option. That's about the west of Hyderabad. Now coming to the south of Hyderabad. So this is the south of Hyderabad, the Bangalore highway. So till Kottur, it is expensive. Around 17,000, 20,000 per square yard is the current price going on the highway. And if you go a little inside, around 15,000, 16,000. We'll discuss that later. But now if you want to invest in a budget of less than 10,000 per square yard, 7 to 10,000 per square yard, you have to go till Shadnagar. There is no other option. So somewhere around Shadnagar, around 1.5 to 2 kilometers or 5 kilometers from the highway, you will get some investment options around 7,000, 8,000 per square yard in Shadnagar. And Shadnagar is a growing area. It's a good investment option. So somewhere around near Kamadanam, near Kishan Nagar, even you can go till Balnagar. Okay, till Balnagar, you will have some investment options on the left as well as on the right. Around Shadnagar till Balnagar, you have some investment options for sure. Near NRSC also, there are some investment options. You'll find some investment options in around 7,000 to 10,000 budget around Shadnagar. That can be a good investment option as well. So if you're looking for something budget, okay, in the south of Hyderabad, Shadnagar can be a good option. Otherwise, the other option is, see, after crossing Maheshwaram, there is a road which goes to Kandukur. It is also called as Pulimamadi Road. So on this Pulimamadi Road also, a lot of ventures have come. So you have to exit near Tukuguda. After exiting Tukuguda, once you reach Maheshwaram, from Maheshwaram you have to go straight towards Pulimamadi, as you can see here. So Pulimamadi also, a lot of companies, Akshita has launched 2 ventures in this road. So it is less than 10,000 per square yard is what you can expect in this Pulimamadi area. It is an R2 zone. So there are some investment options in Pulimamadi also, around 10,000 budget per square yard if you're looking to invest. Otherwise, after Bangalore Highway, the other investment option is towards the Pharma City, which is Tukuguda Road. Tukuguda to Kandukur, Kadtal, Maisi Amangal. So this road also is also a very growing road thanks to Pharma City. And I'm sure you would have seen a lot of hype of Kadtal, Kandukur. So there is a road which connects Kadtal to Shadnagar. On that road also from Maisi on that road also there are some good investment options in somewhere around 7,000 to 10,000 per square yard. You can consider even them. The reason is it is close to Pharma City, proposed Pharma City R&D center, as well as it is close to Shadnagar, and the road is also good. And from around Tukukuda, it comes around 25 kilometers, which is okay, which is a decent distance. So in 10,000, less than 10,000 per square yard, you have options to invest somewhere around Kadtal, Maisi as well. This is on the Sri Salem highway. Otherwise, you have an investment option on Sagar highway as well. You can see this is Ibrahipatnam route, Yacharam till Mall. So around Yacharam, you have some investment options which are around less than 10,000 per square yard, 8,000, 9,000 per square yard on the road facing ventures. There are some couple of ventures on that road, around 7,000, 8,000 per square yard. You can still expect to get on the Sagar highway. Okay, so that's about the Sagar highway. Then if you consider Vijayawada highway, near Chautupal, you have some investment options. If you see, this is Warangal highway, somewhere around Bongiri or Yadgiri Gutta, you have some investment options around 8,000, 9,000 per square yard. So if you are going towards the north of Hyderabad, You have to cross Medchil till Chegunta. You have to go till Chegunta. In Chegunta, you will get some investment options around 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000 per square yard. So you are going little far. You are going close to regional ring road. So around Tupran, and even Tupran is very expensive, around 14,000, 12,000. So you have to go to Chegunta. There is no other option in the north of Hyderabad. So this is overall about where you can expect to invest, somewhere around 7,000 to 10,000. So if to summarize, on the Mumbai highway, Sadashivpet to Zahirabad road, Mominpet road is also an option. In Chevilla, around Chevilla, Alur also is a good option. Otherwise, in the south of Hyderabad, Shadnagar is a good option. Otherwise, from Shadnagar to Kartal, that road is also a good option near Maisigandi, which is on the Pharma City road. Otherwise, in the Sagar Highway, near Mall, near to Yacharam, you have some investment options. Vijayawada Highway, Chotupal is an investment option. Barangal Highway till around Bongiri, Yadgirigutta, it's an investment option. So there are some investment options. On the north of Hyderabad, till Chegunta, you have to go. So there are some investment options. Priority wise, whatever I told you, this could be the priority in terms of investment in 7,000 to 10,000 per square yard budget. Now comes what can be a good investment options if I want to invest above 15,000 per square yard. So again, let's talk about the west and again the rest of Hyderabad. So west of Hyderabad, around 15,000 per square yard, getting something has become very challenging now. But still, you can get something around Indrakaran after crossing Rudraram. So after crossing Rudraram, there is a road which goes to Indrakaran, which goes towards. So after crossing Rudraram, you can see this. There is a village called as Indrakaran. So this is where you have some investment options around 15,000 to 17,000 to 20,000 per square yard. So that's an option. If you are looking something around 20,000 per square yard, around Rudraram, you can get some options. Now there are some options about 20,000, but most of it is in peri-urban zone. After crossing IIT Kandi till Sangareddy, a lot of these lands are in conservative zone as well as into peri-urban zone. So it is very tough to find good projects to invest after IIT Kandi till Sangareddy. So you have to hunt for it. There are very limited residential zones. So you have to be very careful when you're investing your money around IIT Kandi to Sangareddy. So till Rudraram is a good investment. And if you hunt a little, you will find something around 20,000 per square yard around Rudraram. Okay. So otherwise, on the right side also, there are some areas called as Ainol as well. But yeah, it is expensive. It is not so cheap now. Indresha, Mainol, we can see this side. On the other side, right side of the Patancheru. But it's expensive around 20, 25,000 per square yard. But if you struggle a little, try to find out something, you may get something around 20,000 per square yard around Indresha, Ainol areas, right? Otherwise, you have to come straight in 20,000 budget. On this highway, you get some options like Alekia Infra in Annas County. There is some investment options around 20,000, 18,000 per square yard till Peddapur, Nandikandi. So in Sadashivpet town also, there are some good options where you get something around 15,000 to 20,000 per square yard. Virtues is selling something at 17,000 per square yard. But ideally speaking, if you ask me, I won't recommend you going far from IIT Kandi or Sangareddy if you are planning to invest around 20,000 per square yard on the west of Hyderabad. My preference would be invest somewhere around Rudraram or maybe Ainol areas. Okay, so those would be good options to invest according to me. Indresam or Ainol or before Sangareddy. But be very careful while Indrakaran is also a very good area, as I told you already, near to Rudraram. So these are the places where you can get something in budget of around 15 to 20,000 per square yard. Now, otherwise, on the triangle, right? So if you try to find something in the triangle, getting something in the triangle for 15,000 per square yard has become very challenging now. So, but you will get resale options, some resale options at around 22,000, 25,000 per square yard still near Nandigama and all. If you struggle a little, you will get some resale options around 25,000 per square yard in the triangle. But if you're looking for budget less than 15,000, 20,000, it is very tough to find something in the triangle. So yeah, so coming to the west, I would recommend you less than Rudraram or Ainol areas. Ainol in Trikaran areas you can invest. In the triangle, it is little expensive, around 25,000 per square yard, so it is out of scope. Now coming to the other options of investment around 15-20,000 square yard is towards the Bangalore as well as Srisalam Highway. So this area is growing a lot from Timmapur to Maheshwaram. The road which connects Bangalore Highway and Srisalam Highway, that road is growing drastically. In fact, Bangalore Highway till Kottur is growing drastically because of Chinnajiyar Swami Ashramam inauguration, which is due on February. As well as a lot of hype is there around these areas. A lot of job generation is also happening. A lot of road development is also happening around Timmapur, Maheshwaram and Sanpalli areas. Recently, I've recorded and shown this as well. A lot of roads infrastructure is getting developed, and this area is going to become a very big area in the future. And on the in Timmapur on the left side, on the Chigur side, you find Shanti Kana Vanam, Kana Shanti Vanam. It's also one of the biggest meditation center in the world. So that's going to attract a lot of people there. So this area around Timmapur is going to get a lot of hype in the future in the next around 3-4 years. So this is a good investment options. From Timmapur to Maheshwaram Road, you have something from around 15,000 per square yard till 20,000 per square yard. You have very good investment options. You can consider them. If you're looking to invest around 20,000 per square yard, I would recommend you that this is the nice area. It is still close to Outer Ring Road, still close to city, and it's commutable from the current financial district as well. So that would be my personal preference for 15 to 20,000 per square yard. Otherwise, you have to invest again in the Srisalam Highway. In Srisalam Highway, facing the highway somewhere around Kadalkur, Kadtal, you may get some options around 15 to 20,000 per square yard on the highway. But that's completely based on Pharma City and completely based on Srisalam Highway. So there are also good options, but you have to be very choosy which project you are selecting. And preferably, if you are buying something around 15-20,000 per square yard, it should be a highway facing project. Then I would recommend you can buy in the Srisalam Highway. Otherwise, the other option is Sagar Highway near Ibrahimpatnam. Recently, we have shown project of JB Infra. There are beautiful projects in Ibrahimpatnam which you can invest around 15 to 18,000, 19,000 per square yard. It is close to the Outer Ring Road and it's a growing area. A lot of this IT companies, especially TCS, is also there around Adipatla. So it's also good investment options around Ibrahimpatnam in a budget of around 15 to 20,000 per square yard. So these would be my personal favorites. Otherwise, if you are planning to invest in the north of Hyderabad, somewhere around Medchil is also a good investment option till Tupran. So till Tupran, Medchil, you will get some very good investments around 15,000 to 20,000 per square yard. You have to hunt for them. It's not easy. But yeah, you will get something for sure around 18,000, 20,000 after crossing Medchil. In the surrounding of Medchil, you will get it if you hunt properly. Otherwise, Shamirpet is also a very good investment option. If you want to stay close to the Outer Ring Road and invest less than 20,000 per square yard, Shamirpet is a very good investment option. You have some options, some good projects in Shamirpet, around 18,000, 20,000 plus square yard around the Outer Ring Road. Otherwise, Warangal Highway is also a good option. Somewhere around BB Nagar or Gatkesar, you will have a lot of options from 18,000, 20,000 per square yard. But if you ask my favorite in that budget, I would prefer invest in the south of Hyderabad or the west of Hyderabad or even the north of Hyderabad for that matter of fact. You can invest in Medchil areas. It's growing again leaps and bounds as well. So yeah, so these are the investment options which you have, multiple investment options which you have in a budget range of 15 to 20,000 per square yard. So even after crossing Bangalore, after crossing Warangal Highway, Taramatipeta exit also has some investment options which you can consider as well. If you want to stay close to Nagol and LB Nagar, you have good investment options near Taramatipeta as well. So somewhere after crossing Gatkesar, somewhere here. Right, so these all are the investment options which I would recommend in a budget range of 7 to 10,000 per square yard, as well as around 15,000 to 20,000 per square yard. So a lot of investment options you still have. If you need any help from my team, we are more than happy to help you, guide you, assist you, and hold you till you make a good investment options. So yeah, you can consider this, whatever I've shared. If you have any specific questions, you can ask in the comment section. I'll try to answer them. Otherwise, if you want to invest your money in a safe, secured way, you can come to my office, meet me. We can discuss further how can we help you in making better decisions in terms of investments. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you soon in a new video. Till then, take care.